Oh, that's much better. Just let it cool. It's very, very hot, so don't touch it. You want to make some friends fast? Go ahead and make some peanut brittle or pecan brittle and bring it to work. Guaranteed friends. So today I'm going to make pecan brittle. It's wonderful. It's easy to make. The only thing you really need is a little laser or a candy thermometer. They'll go to 300 degrees and a pan, and that's it. Thanks for watching. My spatula is a heat-resistant spatula. Fantastic. Okay. So we'll add the peanuts. Take it off. And some vanilla. And the recipe will be in the description. So look at that. See how that looks? Wonderful. And to clean out your pan, your spatula, just let it soak in water. Thanks for watching.